Hey, so QiYi has a new clock out. And something you might not know about me is I don't know how to solve clock. There was a competition once where I was scrambling clock. I forgot how to do it right now, but I was scrambling clock, and I was then challenged to learn how to solve one and solve one. Our delegate, James, started a timer. And within about 3 minutes, he taught me, scrambled a clock, and I solved it. So let's see what I can do. When QiYi came out with their clock before, it completely changed the game. I don't know anyone who was using anything other than the QiYi one. It used magnets instead of a ball bearing, whatever would make it click, and I customized mine by making it purple. So let's see what might feel different here. That feels softer. So for here, it's loose and then a click. This feels tighter, like I can't just push it as much as that one. Like just with a flick, I went almost half a turn. With this one, a quarter of a turn. So instead of these spikes, it's a little bit more smoothed out. Done. Okay, so let's try it.
Those two are already matched. Those are already matched. So all I have to do is this, that. Then I'm going to flip over. Those are matched up, those are matched up, those are matched up. Okay. Solve that. Then I push down this, match them up. Push down this, match them up. Push down this, match it up.
And then there, match it up. Done. Let me know your thoughts on this. I'm just going to scramble this randomly. I want to do like a live stream of just how fast can I get on clock within an hour or within 2 hours or something. So live stream is just going to be me solving the clock the whole time. And I want to see how fast I can get from absolute beginner within 1 hour of clock. Oh, I've already forgotten how to do it. I need to match. I'm doing something different than before. I don't know if it's better or worse. If you know what I'm doing, if it's better or worse right now, let me know, because I'm definitely doing something different. I know there's a way. I heard people are just not even flipping it over anymore. I don't know how that's done. That is absolutely wild to me. I don't know if I like one more than the other. I'd have to use a lot more. This feels faster to turn. I'm sure there's some setup we could do. But this is definitely a faster and clickier puzzle. This one's a more consistent, smooth, a little bit heavier turning. Yeah, let me know if on clock what you would prefer as far as turning, thoughts on the live stream, all that jazz. But this from QiYi, so thank you, QiYi, for sending this over. I'll have a link in the description to where you can get a clock. This one for sure. This one's probably coming out real soon, if not already, so check the description for that one. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep following SpeedQubeView for more news and reviews.